What's up, guys? This is for all of the Mark 7 GTI 6-speed owners who ordered a shift boot and shift knob from us, but wanted a custom boot. These are going to be 4 separate pieces of fabric sewn together with a double stitch. So there will be some slight modifications we'll have to do to your trim ring, and that's what we're going to go over in this video. So a couple things to get started. You're going to need a Dremel or some kind of cutting device. Online, when you purchase the boots, it will come with a PDF for you to print out and cut out the little template we've made for your trim ring. And you're going to need your trim ring out of the vehicle with the boot removed. It's quick and easy. We've got plenty of videos on that. Just make sure you take all the glue off because it will cause an interference with the new boot. One more thing is when you remove this chrome trim ring, make sure you remove it from the front first and then the back, so then you don't break these rear tabs off. So next, we're gonna go ahead and take this inner trim ring out, which you'll just push these little tabs in and work your way around. So we got the trim rings removed now, we got them separated. This guy is the one we're gonna be focusing on, so we don't need this. Once you get the trim ring out and cleaned up, you're going to print out that PDF that we attached and cut out this little template. There is, on the back side facing you in the car, you're gonna have this small little area here, which is indicated by this cutout. You're gonna take the center of this and line it up with the center of the cutout, and you're gonna trim this upper portion of the trim ring on either side after you mark it, just to remove that upper portion only, because it interferes with the new boot. It's as easy as that. Mark that out, and then you're gonna Dremel just this edge off. So you got the rear modified using the template. So that guy's all set. Now you're gonna move to the front side here and do the exact same thing, and then we can start putting the boot on. So you got your front and rear modified on your trim piece. Now it's just simple as installing the boot just like all our other ones with our glue strips all the way around and reinstall. So with that being said, I hope that helped you guys out and answered some questions for you guys with the custom orders. So from now on, that's how you're gonna be installing them. Let me know if you guys have any more questions.